Zoro attacks Imu with King of Hell Onigiri, but Imu blocks the attack with his tail. What the fuck? Imu then creates small black flame called Omen and throws it at Zoro's face, leaving his face bloodied. What the fuck? What? That is fucking diabolical. Absolutely. What the fuck? So is it like a Amaterasu flame? But he just calls it Omen? Oh, that is dark. It's dark. This is One Piece's darkest days. Wow. Leaving Zoro's face bloodied is nuts. I never thought I would read that, but this is Imu, the final villain. This is what we've been asking for, so prepare yourself.